Hi guys, this is Rita. Today, let's sharing and unboxing the wristwatch from the brand NAVIFORCE. Here is the parcel when you receive it. Okay, now let's open it and see what it is in it. Okay, here we open the parcel and pull out the watches. Yes, here we got a case with the paper outside and push it out. Okay, here it is the outside case, and it is an inside case with the NAVIFORCE logo brand here, and also here with the logo. Okay, now open it. Wow. Here we can see there is a NF 9164 movement introduction menu. Okay, this is the menu. And here we can see a guarantee card with the NAVIFORCE. And we can find here it's a 1 year guarantee card. And the next is the main product. Is our lead to date. 9164. We can see here, this is a LCD movement and core movement wristwatch. Let's show the function. Here, we can see if you put this button, the line it's on, and we can put other buttons to adjust the time, day, the year, or other functions. And also, we can see if you want to know which model it is, we can see here. Here we can see the model number NF9164M. It is the model number. And we can see here is a waterproof watches, and it is the genuine leather. This model is with a genuine leather strap. Okay, let's see how it works on my arm. Hey, although I am a girl, but this is a man wristwatch, but I think it's so cool. It's very, very beautiful, isn't it? For the woman or for the man, it's also very, very nice, I think. Here is the special. Put this button, we can see a light on. Okay, and here we can see. Oh wait. Oh, sorry. We also can find this one, the clean clothes in the boxes, and the menu instruction manual we can find there are 8 languages we can find in the menu. English, Spanish, Portuguese, this is Arabic, and pretty the back side is French, and Russian, and German, and the last one is Chinese. So there are 8 languages. You can see the introduction menu. If you still can adjust the time or any functions, you also can find the after-sales services. They can see you the video to teach you how to adjust the time and other functions. Okay, let's show again all the adjusted in the box. First, it's an instruction manual, and it's the main product, the wristwatch, and also a 1 year or a 1 year guarantee card, and a cleaning clothes. Oh, this is all. Okay. If you want to know more about its benefits, you can see here. And also, these watches will have 5 colors you can find in the AliExpress stores. Please see here. Okay, if you have any questions, you can give us the post. Thank you.